wonder who she's talking to. I haven't been round by the pool for about 5 minutes.
Sweetheart, it's got a warm spot in here. It's warm.
That's because the sun's been on it.
I've just got on something. Oh, it was absolutely beautiful. It's the best birthday ever. Swimming amongst the leaves, Thanks for my birthday, sis. I feel like I'm all legged out.
My clothes look really funny on you.
That's ridiculous. Ready? Don't fit. Make you wish.
Well, you came here in a bikini.
I did. The hood don't fit though, does it? I've broken myself up. You are so. Oh, hang on. Thanks, love. That was really kind of you to wait for me. Rude. Oh, it's so hot. I'm going down to Littlestone to see my old next door neighbours, Lynn and Frank. I'll also be able to show you me and Charlie's old flats, because we live... Adam, you alright? Because we lived in this big old house. We lived in the basement flat, then we moved upstairs to the one that overlooked the sea, and then we moved back downstairs to the basement flat before Charlie moved in with his girlfriend Ellie. And I put everything in storage and got a trailer tent and started my crazy adventures. Welcome to Dimchurch. This is where Charlie spent all his time when he was a teen. Quite excited to show my old flats. Hopefully Lynn will give us a tour. Hello, Mishka. Hello. Lynn. Mishka. Hello. You're a good guard dog, aren't you?
No, down. Get a food bag here.
Oh dear. Oh dear, Mishka. Oh, off she goes. That's a nice greeting. Where's all your furniture? Fucking hell, Lynn, has no one said anything? You've like made a whole garden down here. Oh. This is the old house. That's the old bag that lived next door. Our old upstairs flat. And that was Charlie's bedroom. It's such a beautiful place, isn't it? That was my bathroom. Was that the kitchen? Yeah. Kitchen. Yeah. Do those people that lived at the top ever come in here still?
Oh, her husband died. Caroline, you know.
Oh no!
Her husband died this week.
Oh, you're joking. This is the main entrance hallway. How beautiful is this? Let me just go up and do that big window. It's amazing. So no one's here.
No.
This is so lovely and old, isn't it? Oh, Mishka.
Come on. Mishka.
Come on.
Come on, move Mars now.
Moomas?
Yeah, Mishka move Mars.
Mishka Moomas? Oh, this is our old front doors. He's set up a gym out there.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's my old front door. And that's Lynn's old front door. It's beautiful here, isn't it? What's that down there?
Oh, that's where the skip was. That's all got to be moved again.
Talk us round, Lynn.
God, you can talk yourself round.
Oh, come on.
This is the entrance to the...
Old flat that Rita and Charlie used to live in. That was Charlie's bedroom.
Mishka! Mishka!
Mishka. That was the old front door. That's the downstairs, and that was the upstairs, and then we moved back down there. Do you miss me, Lynn?
I don't...
Sound sincere?
I don't miss you, actually.
Oh.
Put your caravan here.
Well, you've moved in everything else on the lawn. You might as well move me on there in my caravan.
And that's the place.
You're going to be on my next YouTube video. I'm so excited. I've bought a portable washing machine. So I can do my washing and then hang it out in the garden on the washing line to dry. And I don't have to use the site washing machine. Or sometimes I take it to Tim's. But I won't have to do that anymore because I've bought a portable one. It's only a tiny diddy little thing. Get it out the box and I'm going to test it tomorrow. Hang on. I think it's got quite a big drum though. Oh my god, it's a proper washing machine. Oh my god, I love it already. This is a washing machine. A little miniature washing machine. I'll test it out tomorrow. I think you just put all that, it's got all the knobs on it. It's got a spin and a wash. A tiny little compact thing. It's actually got a proper drum and everything. This is so cool. Little baby nozzle. I can't wait to try it out. It is 1 o'clock in the morning. Well, actually it's 12:30. I've had a couple of hours sleep and then I'm off to take Charlie and Ellie to the airport. I'm whispering because everyone's asleep. So I literally had a few hours sleep and yeah, we're off to Stanstead, drop them off. I think I'm gonna have a shower when I come back. I don't actually know anyone else who puts on a full face of makeup to go for an airport run. Would call me unique. See you later, love you. Text me when you're there.